Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to fix your Bluetooth with the multi-control on Samsung. So you're on a non-Windows computer right now. You can go on the bottom right here and see if multi-control is on. If it's not, okay. Let's search up multi-control. All right, I just searched up multi-control, and as you can see, it's off. I just turned it on. It says multi-control is not supported. That is a lie. The devil is a lie. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to search up multi-control again, and we're going to go to app settings, and then you're going to want to go down. You're going to go to terminate because it sucks. Then you're going to repair, and then once it's done repairing, you're going to want to hit reset. Okay, and then that's going to reset it. Okay, and make sure at this point while it's doing this, you want to make sure that your multi-control is on your actual Samsung device and your tablet or whatever else you have. So then once you do that, you're going to go back to multi-control, and then you're going to see it finally work and turn on. Okay, sometimes this happens, but remember, we just glitched the system. We just broke the system. So right now it's working on your Windows computer, which is pretty neat, pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, it's going to find your device, and it should be good. All right, as you can see right now, it just connected to my phone, and we are back in action. Just like that, we are multi-controlling and having fun and all that other stuff, yo. So, if you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go. I know it's been a while. You're like, yo, Aqua, we need the videos. I'm so sorry. Y'all know YouTube is on my back. They're ready to get us out of here. They're ready to, yo, malware bites. What you trying to do, son? What you trying to do, son? What you say, nah, yo, but seriously, yo, I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. Let's get it. Let's go. And y'all know what it is, man. I'm gonna see you in the next video.